Hi everyone, welcome to part 2. So now we're going to do math. We're multiplying with 0, 1, 2, 5, and 10. So for here, we're just doing equal groups. So I'll do this part with you and then you can do the rest. Jenny draws 6 cartoon bugs. So these are her 6 cartoon bugs. That's why they look a little different. They're not the same size circle. Each bug has 10 legs. So you're going to put 10 legs on every single one of these circles and then count how many legs did she draw. So what I'm going to do is help draw. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you're going to do that to all 6 of these. Then, how can we find out this problem? We know that there's how many bugs? 6 times how many legs does each bug have? 10. So you can always do it by counting, skip counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Or you can think of it this way, and I know I showed you this. Remember, 1 is a mirror. So 6 times 1, which is the mirror, is just looking back at itself. So 6 times 1 is 6. It goes back like that. Now I'll add my 0 for 10, and then you just add a 0 to the answer. So that's how you know that the answer is 60. Or you can skip count like we did. Okay, now explain how you found the number of legs. So explain how you found it. Did you skip count? Did you count every single leg? Did you multiply? Did you already know that it was 6 times 10? Think about it. Like, just type it there. Tell me how you did it. So now go ahead and finish these down here. On B right here, you're going to make your own multiplication factor, which should be fun for you. This one is Julio makes 7 cookies. Each cookie has 5 chocolate chips. How many chocolate chips did he use? Same thing, except now, instead of legs, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And try and put the dots in the same pattern. You can do it like that. You can do it like this, but make sure they look the same. Okay? So I'm going to erase this because it's not the same as my other ones. And that way, it's a little bit easier so it's not messy and you know it's a 5, but just looking at it. Then you're going to write your problem down here. 5 times however many cookies there are equals blank. Make sure you show your work. You have all that space. And then now we're going to go on to science. So for science, you're just doing your vocab. So your vocabulary, you have 3 words. Vapor, condensation, precipitation. Vapor is a liquid or solid that has become a gas because of heat or a drop in pressure. If you guys have ever been in like a sauna where there's like really hot air, people sitting there with their towels and they like to relax, that water becomes a gas because of how hot it is in there. Sometimes it's like mist, it's like hot mist. So you'll take that word and you'll come down here. You'll put the word right here in the middle. So vapor would go right here. You're going to copy the definition right here. You're going to use the word vapor in a sentence right here. The facts are, for instance, mist and clouds are made of water vapor. You can put that in the fact section and then just draw a picture for me. You're going to do that for all 3 words.